So the first thing you are going to do is grab your base and your big rubber band, ginormous, and you're going to add in your crayons to your base layer. I chose a cake that had similar items and I love the way this one looked, so I chose to do the crayons first. So we're going to work on our middle tier, I can't even remember, and also another big ginormous rubber band. Wrap it around, and then you're going to add in your glue bottles. Make sure you get the glue bottles because they will fit exactly on the tier. Now these tiers are going to move. You can obviously glue them down. I didn't because I'm going to use them. And of course, we are going to add our top tier with our ginormous rubber band, wrap it around that, and then this tier will have the highlighters that I chose to use. Now, if you're OCD like me, the pattern that I did decide to use was yellow, orange, green, blue, yellow, pink, purple. Now, if you're not OCD, just put them on there in rainbow color. So we're going to add in our wet wipes in the middle along with our hand sanitizer. Since my wet wipe was small, I had to eventually put a crayon box underneath. If you have that problem, just use anything that you have extra so that way you can see it. Next, we are going to add in our ribbon. Now, I got this cute, adorable ribbon in Michael's with a 40% coupon. And yes, they still have it. What you're guys gonna do is measure out each tier and then hot glue it. Again, you can use your glue spots. I just have hot glue. It's just easier for me. Now I decided that it looked so plain, especially since I didn't spray paint the boxes, so I decided to use the lace that I had from my previous project. So that way it added a little frosting and it made it look so cute. And the last thing we are going to put is our safety scissors, and this just adds a little pizzazz on it, and ta-da, we are finished.